we're gonna make some homemade laundry soap. Get you a bucket and a lid. The tools you're gonna need are a grater. The ingredients you're gonna need are 2 bars of soap, baking soda, borax, and Arm & Hammer super washing suds. All right, over that cheese grater, you're gonna grate 2 bars of soap. Now me, I've been saving all the bars of soap from every hotel I've ever been in. And call me cheap, I don't care. Money saved is money earned. You use those little hotel bars of soap and you're gonna make some laundry detergent. All right, so you need 3 cups each of baking soda, borax, and super washing suds. You're gonna use 30 drops of essential oils, and all you need is 1/4 cup of detergent to wash your load of clothes. All right, so I have me a can here from our food storage. This was like a can of beans we've already used up, so I'm gonna use that for my laundry detergent. Every time I throw in the powder, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. And by the way, the smell is just so pure and natural. It smells so good, it's so light. These ingredients are not harmful to your body, to your skin, to your hands. They're natural products. That's what's so awesome about it. And the clothes get super clean, and it smells good, and it's great for you, and that is the whole point. Not only is it healthy, but it is going to save you a lot of money, and it's also therapeutic and gives you a little bit of forearm workout. Tell you what, gym day when you make a detergent. All right, so again, in between every single bit of powder I put in, I give it a little shake or a stir. Shake it like a salt shaker. Every now and then you're going to get some little clumps, and you're just going to crush them. What I'm doing here is I'm making 2 buckets. 2 daggum buckets of laundry detergent. It also lasts us quite a long time because you only need 1/4 of a cup. Put that in your washer and put your clothes in and start your load. All right, I am a Doterra guru, so I only use Doterra therapeutic grade essential oils. I'm going to put 10 drops of each in each bucket. And what's great about it is you can just choose your own type of smell that you want for your clothes. I have lavender, patchouli, and maybe it was petitgreen. I have to go back and look at it. But I change it up every single time. And you're just going to shake it up, shake it up, shake, shake, shake it. I use little labels. Not that I don't know what it is, but it makes it super cute. I keep the borax, the super washing suds, and the baking soda in vast quantity because you also use these products for everything else in your house to clean. I save so much time making my own detergent. Not only do I save money, but I save time. I just have the products in my home and I make it in my laundry room instead of getting in my car, going to the daggum store, walking in that store, filling my cart, checking out, lugging it back, bringing it back in. It's insane. You don't need to do that. You can do it right in your house. Amazon delivers the stuff, or you can go get the stuff if you want. I mean, it's so convenient. Save time, save money.